Today, Honor had a big event in China where they showed off new stuff like the Honor Magic Book Pro 16, Honor Band 9, but the coolest thing they revealed is the new Magic 6 Ultimate Edition phone. It's like the best phone they make, so people are really excited about it. Let's check out what makes it special. First off, when you look at the Magic 6 Ultimate Edition, it looks really different. It's got this cool leather texture and design that makes it stand out. The back of the phone has a special camera setup right in the middle. It's not too thick, about 8.9 mm, and it weighs 227 grams. You can get it in black or purple. The screen on this phone is huge, 6.8 inches, and it's super smooth with a 120Hz refresh rate. The picture quality is really good with a resolution of 2800 whites 1280. On the front, there's a little notch that holds the selfie camera. Under the hood, this phone is really powerful. It runs on a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is like the engine of the phone. You can get it with a massive 16 GB of RAM and either 512 GB or 1 TB of storage. One of the coolest things about this phone is the camera system. It's got this special camera called the Super Dynamic Eagle Eye, which takes amazing pictures. It has a big sensor and can capture a lot of detail. Plus, it has features like optical image stabilization and a fancy focusing system. The battery on this phone is pretty big too, 5,600 mAh, and it charges super fast with 80 watts wired charging and 67 watts wireless charging. It's also water and dust resistant, which is handy. There are two versions of this phone, one with 512 GB storage for $972 and another with 1 TB storage for $1,069. You can pre-order it now in China, and it'll be available on March 22nd. Overall, the Honor Magic 6 Ultimate Edition seems really impressive, but we'll have to wait and see how it performs in real life. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more tech updates and unboxing. If you feel this video is informative, do subscribe Bytes and share this video. I catch you in the next one.